Okay, today I'm here to explain about the question. Determine the horizontal asymptotes of the rational functions. For the last video, I explained about what asymptote is and rational function is. So if you have no idea about these two terms, please check out my previous video first. Okay? So first, let me explain about asymptote briefly. Let me sketch the graph like this. The graph is like that. When x is really big, the y value is getting close to 0, but it's never crosses x-axis. In this case, x-axis is horizontal asymptote of this graph. Okay, so again, asymptote, definition of asymptote is a horizontal line that a part of the graph gets very close to but never reaches. Okay, that's the asymptotes. So let's find horizontal asymptotes of these two graphs. First one, f of x equals 2x over 3x negative 1. How you can find horizontal asymptotes? Like I said, to find horizontal asymptote, you focus on the end behaviors. This part and this part. If the graph is like this, there's no asymptote. Okay. So how you can find it? What you have to do is you have to divide each term by the highest power of the denominator. Highest power of here, which is x in this case. Let me do that. 2x over x over 3x over x negative 1 over x. I'll explain about why I did like that later, okay? 2 over 3 minus 1 over x. So this case, again, you need to see end behavior. End behavior means when x is really big or really small. So let's plug in the value which is really big into x. Example, 1 over 1000 or 1 over like that. As x gets bigger, 1 over x getting close to 0. You know what I mean? So in this case, you can regard 1x as 0, because when x is really big, 1 over x is pretty close to 0. So you can just regard it is at 0. It is 2 over 3. This is how to find asymptotes, horizontal asymptotes. Okay? So let's work on one more question. G of x equals 1 negative 2x over x squared negative 4x plus 3. So again, you divide by the highest power of denominator. Here, which is x squared in this case. Let me divide it. 1 over x squared negative 2x over x squared. X squared over x squared negative 4x over x squared plus 3 over x squared. Let me simplify. 1 over x squared negative 2 over x over 1 over negative 4 over x plus 3 over x squared. Again, when x is really big or really negative, this value, for example, 1 over x squared and 2 over x, these values are going to be really close to 0. So you can regard them as 0. 0, negative 0, over 1 negative 0 plus 0, which is 0 over 1. 0, it's 0. So horizontal asymptotes is f of x equal 0. Yeah, that's it. So again, what you have to do is you need to focus on end behavior. This means you have to think about the case when x is really, really big or really, really small. Then what you do is you divide by the highest power of denominator. If you find something like 1 over x or 1 over x squared, you can regard them as 0 because when x is really, really big or really, really negative, these you can regard them as 0. It's getting big. Yeah, that's it.